think the newest film we watched yesterday was the most exciting compared to the other film.
I agree, Rina. But compared to the film we watched last month, that one is more interesting to me.
I actually think the opposite. In my opinion, last month's film was a bit boring compared to yesterday's.
As for me, I prefer the first film we watched together. That film was the most exciting in my opinion.
The first film was good, Budi, but in my opinion, the film we watched yesterday had a more dense storyline.
It's true, last film was more tense, but I felt the character we released developed than the first film.
That's true, Andy, but I prefer the way yesterday's film showed its visual. It was more beautiful than other films.
Yes, from a visual perspective, yesterday's film was the best, but I think the story is still inferior to the first film.
So we all agree that every film has its own advantages. Because for me, yesterday film is still the best.
I think so. In the end, it depends on individual taste. I personally prefer films that have an in-depth story.
That's right. And when it comes to visual, yesterday's film was superior to all of them. I enjoyed it more because of that.
I agree with Cici, but the story is still important. The first film provides a better balance between story and visuals.
In essence, every film has its own charm. The important thing is we can all enjoy it, right?
Agreed, and that make us have a richer viewing experience because we can see the positive side of each film.